How to fix if your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Android phone. Now in order to fix this, you just simply need to go over settings and select the connections. And after selecting the connection, go over Wi-Fi directly. Now after coming into this Wi-Fi section, you are gonna see all of the networks available and your current network which you are using. Now if your Wi-Fi is disconnecting continuously, there might be few reasons for the problem, and the first one is network signal. Most of the routers today comes with 2.4 and 5G built, and 2.4G routers have a big range which can be supported and used from a distance from your router. But 5G routers have comparatively smaller range, and if you have connected 5G signal in your phone, it might not give signals if you are far away from router. In that case, you are going to be continuously disconnected from the Wi-Fi network. Now in this case, just simply use 2.4G signals of your Wi-Fi. Just simply connect to 2.4G instead of 5G and it will start to work again. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.